Hello everyone! Everything I'm going to explain has been verified by the mechanics here in the workshop, so don't worry, we'll go step by step. In the workshop, we always say the first thing to check is the operating mode. It may sound basic, but often the unit is set to cooling or automatic mode and doesn't activate the heating. Make sure it's in heat mode and that the selected temperature is higher than the room temperature. It's that simple, and it's a mistake that often goes unnoticed. Some customers mention that their air conditioner turns on, but the air remains cool or lukewarm even in heating mode. Technically, this can be an issue with the heat pump or the reversing valve, the part that transfers heat from the outside to the inside. If it gets stuck, the reverse cycle doesn't occur, and the system won't heat as it should. Other customers notice that the unit seems to work normally, but doesn't produce strong heat. This is usually due to low refrigerant levels or leaks. Without enough refrigerant, the heating cycle isn't efficient, and the air comes out cooler than expected. We always recommend having a specialized technician check this, because recharging refrigerant and locating leaks isn't something you should try to do on your own. Additionally, dirty filters and an obstructed outdoor unit also affect heating. Many customers have noticed that after cleaning filters or removing leaves and dust, performance improves. Proper airflow is key. If it's restricted, the unit works harder and heats less effectively. In more serious cases, the problem can be electrical or related to internal sensors. Some customers see that even when everything seems properly set, the unit doesn't heat. Technicians explain that certain components might not be receiving the correct signal or could be damaged. This requires specialized diagnosis and cannot be fixed with simple adjustments. It's also worth remembering that heat pumps have an operational outdoor temperature range. If it's too cold outside, the unit cannot extract enough heat and won't warm properly. This isn't a fault, but a physical limitation of the system.